News coming in from West Bengal, where TMC has now sent a memorandum to the president demanding the immediate removal of West Bengal's governor Jagdeep Dhankar. The memorandum reads, and I quote, "We submit that the governor has failed to preserve, protect and defend the constitution and repeatedly breached law declared by the Supreme Court." In fact, there are Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, Derek O'Brien, Kalyan Banerjee and Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, who have now signed the letter to the president. Remember, the governor and the West Bengal government have been always at loggerheads with each other over ideologies, as well as the manner in which the law and order situation has erupted in the state as well. Now TMC has sent a memorandum to the president demanding the immediate removal of West Bengal's governor, that is Jagdeep Dhankar. The memorandum now reads, and I quote, that we submit the governor has failed to preserve, protect and defend the constitution and repeatedly breached law declared by the Supreme Court. Let's go across to my colleague Anuj, joining us live for more on this. Anuj, we have seen in the past as well as to how the governor has time and again questioned the state government over the law and order situation and several of the ideological differences also that they have. Please share more on this latest memorandum that has now been sent to the president.
Well, exactly now, this is Trinamool Congress leadership who has sent the letter to the president where they are claiming the same, that that the governor is not working in the favor of the state, is not with the state government. As we do know, this is the governor who has raised question on several development scheme of the government, on law and order situation of the state, and that's why this is being like the action which has been taken by the Trinamool Congress party members, and these are the leaders including, let me tell you, Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, Derek O'Brien, Kalyan Banerjee, Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, Kakoli Ghosh, who has written a letter to the president where they are seeking the removal of the governor. Let me tell you, in this very memorandum, this has been written that because the government in central is different and state is different, that's why governor is trying to favor the government in the center, and that's why he is not working in the favor of the state government. That's the allegation which has been used. Certain examples has been given in this memorandum, how earlier Supreme Court had intervened in the same kind of cases. Rather, the words has been given that what all are the words which has been used by the governor in past targeting the state government. But let me remind you, this is the governor of West Bengal who is coming out, and we have seen the press conferences where he has stated clearly what exactly the situation of the state is. When we are talking about the lawlessness, right, when we are talking about the law and order situation, when we are talking about the schemes that has to be reached to the farmers, there the governor had made it clear, but now in panic, this is the memorandum which has been given to the president by Trinamool Congress. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Anuj, for getting us that update. So this is the latest update coming in of TMC that has now written to the president himself and seeking the immediate removal of the governor, even as they have been at loggerheads with each other from the very beginning as well. Moving on now to